Safwan bin Muhriz states that Hazrat Jundub bin Abdullah Bajali radiyallahu anhu states that he, during Hazrat Abdullah bin Zubair's trial time, sent As'as bin Salama a message to gather his companions so that I may narrate a hadith to them. As'as sent a messenger and gathered all. When all had assembled, Hazrat Jundub radiyallahu anhu came wearing a yellow cap and asked the people to remain engaged in their discussions. When the people, after finishing their talks, paid attention to Hazrat Jundub radiyallahu anhu, he, taking his cape off, said, I have come to you so as to narrate a hadith of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam to you. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam dispatched a contingent of the Muslims to fight a war against the polytheists. One of the polytheists was so violent that he would slay the Muslim he wished. Hazrat Usama bin Zaid was waiting in ambush, and when he came within the range of his sword, he pronounced La ilaha illallah. But Hazrat Usama bin Zaid radiyallahu anhu, in spite of it, killed him. When the glad tidings of the victory reached Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the information also related the episode of that person's killing. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent for Hazrat Usama and inquired, Why did you kill him? Hazrat Usama radiyallahu anhu submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he had killed the Muslim, and telling the names of some companions, said that he had martyred so and so. I made an onslaught on him. So when he saw the sword, he straightway uttered La ilaha illallah. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, Did you kill him? Hazrat Usama radiyallahu anhu submitted, Yes. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, On the resurrection day, when the statement La ilaha illallah comes, what will you reply? Hazrat Usama radiyallahu anhu submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, seek pardon for me. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam again said, When the article La ilaha illallah comes on the resurrection day, what will you reply? Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam kept repeating these words. When on the resurrection day the article La ilaha illallah comes, what will be your reply? Sahih Muslim Hadees number 275.